National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Dallas County in central Iowa, north central Madison County and south central Iowa until 10:15 p.m. At 9:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Van Meter, or 9 miles south of Udale, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near DeSoto and Van Meter around 9:40 p.m. Udale around 9:45 p.m. Milwaukee around 9:50 p.m. Urbandale and Dallas Central around 9:55 p.m. Granger around 10:05 p.m. Woodward around 10:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Badger Creek State Park, Minburn and Bowden. This includes Interstate 8 between mile markers 108 and 117. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Dallas, and Madison.